welcome to Ukulele Mama. I'm Maureen Daigle. The song Mull of Kintyre is really about longing and appreciation for the beauty and tranquility and the healing power of nature. When the Beatles broke up, Paul McCartney returned to Scotland and he wrote this song, Mull of Kintyre. No bagpipes, but I do have a ukulele. Here we go. So playing this lovely song, you might be happy to know that there are only 3 chords with a couple of variations. First chord, G. Second chord, C. And the third chord, D. And back to G. We're going to take a close look at the chords and variations. First variation I'm going to mention, again, I use a thin nylon pick to give more vibrancy to the song. The G chord sounds like that. And then to add a variation, I'm going to lift the middle finger like that and then put it back down. Moving to the C chord, using one finger, my favorite kind of chord, you can lift, or you could add. Back to G. The variation on the D chord would be to lift your fingers off of it. And back to G. So let's begin with the first verse. Kintyre. Hey folks, thanks for listening. I would love to have questions or comments. For my upcoming videos, please press subscribe. Bye-bye.